Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 17th, 2024, we're looking at QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 Tracker ETF. First, let's dive into the current news and events that could be influencing QQQ's movement. The Nasdaq has been hitting record highs in recent days, fueled by strong earnings reports from major tech companies and optimism about the future of artificial intelligence. However, some analysts are expressing caution, citing strong job market data and hotter-than-expected inflation, which could lead to a pause in interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. This uncertainty could create volatility in the market, impacting QQQ's price action. Now, let's shift our focus to the charts and see what they reveal about QQQ's current state and future potential. Taking a look at the daily chart, we see a clear upward trend in QQQ over the past few months. The price has consistently made higher highs and higher lows, indicating strong bullish momentum. However, there are some concerning signs that suggest the upward trend might be nearing its end. The recent rally has been met with increasing resistance around the 365 to 370 price level, which has acted as a ceiling for QQQ. This resistance level is a critical area to watch, as a break above it would signal continued bullish sentiment, while a rejection could lead to a correction. We also see a potential bearish divergence forming between the price action and the RSI indicator. This divergence, if confirmed, would suggest that the buying pressure behind the recent rally is waning. It's important to note that this is just a potential bearish divergence, and we need to see further confirmation before concluding a reversal. To gain a better understanding of the short-term outlook, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a more choppy price action, with QQQ fluctuating between 367 and 371. This range has been in play for the past few days, indicating that the market is indecisive about which direction to move next. The recent rejection of the 371 resistance level confirms the resistance that we identified on the daily chart. A break below the 367 support level would signal a shift in momentum towards the downside and could trigger a correction. The current price action seems to be consolidating, but it's crucial to monitor volume and volatility to anticipate any breakouts. The 15-minute chart can provide even more granular insights into QQQ's movement. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see a clear battle between buyers and sellers around the 368 to 370 price level. The recent price action has been characterized by short-term swings, making it difficult to pinpoint a clear direction. The volume and volatility on this time frame are relatively low, indicating that the market is not expecting any major moves in the near term. However, if we narrow down to the past 24 hours of trading, we can see a more interesting pattern. Over the past 24 hours, QQQ experienced a short-lived spike, breaking through the 370 resistance level before quickly reversing back down. This surge was likely fueled by positive news reports, but it was not sustained, suggesting that the selling pressure was stronger. This suggests that the market is still uncertain about QQQ's direction, but it's likely to continue to trade within the 368 to 370 range for the time being. Overall, QQQ's chart data suggests that the Nasdaq 100 ETF is currently in a state of flux. The daily chart shows an upward trend, but it's met with resistance and potential bearish divergences. The 1-hour and 15-minute charts show indecision, with the price oscillating between support and resistance levels. Key price levels to watch include 367, 370, and 371. If QQQ breaks above 371, it would be a strong bullish signal, potentially leading to further gains in the short term. However, a break below 367 would signal a correction, potentially leading to a further decline. The 370 level remains a critical area of resistance. The market's reaction to these price levels will be a key indicator of QQQ's future direction. It's difficult to make unbiased predictions, as the market sentiment is currently mixed. The news and events surrounding the Nasdaq are positive, but there are also concerns about the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates. If the Federal Reserve continues to cut interest rates, it could further fuel the upward trend in QQQ. However, if the Federal Reserve pauses or reverses its rate cuts, it could lead to a correction in the market, potentially pushing QQQ lower. The level of volume and volatility in the coming days will be crucial indicators of QQQ's future movement. Keep an eye on any significant news events that could impact the market. Look for signs of bullish or bearish momentum in the charts, paying close attention to key price levels. Remember, trading involves risk, and there's no guarantee of profits. Always do your own research and manage your risk effectively. I hope this analysis has provided valuable insights into QQQ and helped you understand the factors impacting its current state and future potential. Happy trading!